Are you ready to shape your future in our interconnected world? Excel High School is now introducing Future Ready, Building Resilience and Navigating a Global World, a unique course designed for high school students like you who want to make a difference. This isn't just another class. It's your gateway to connecting with peers from diverse backgrounds across the globe and engaging in dynamic discussions and cultural exchanges, developing crucial skills in resilience and global awareness, engaging in both self-paced learning and interactive live sessions, gaining practical experience in global competency, digital literacy, and collaborative problem-solving through project-based learning. Our flexible format combines self-paced modules that you can tackle on your own schedule and live sessions where you'll engage in group discussions, diving deep into critical thinking and real-world problem solving. By the end of this one-credit course, you will have developed global competency and understanding of global interconnectedness and cultural awareness. Resilience as a critical life skill to cope with personal and societal challenges, collaborative skills, and experience working with a variety of peers, and digital literacy skills through project-based learning and digital tools. Additionally, upon completion, you'll earn a digital badge recognizing your achievement in global competence, resilience, interactive learning, and more. A valuable addition to your academic profile. So are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Enroll now in Future Ready, Building Resilience and Navigating a Global World. Shape your future and impact the world. Join us today